back to 20 car. There are moments in automotive history when a machine doesn't just roll onto the road, it arrives like a manifesto. The 2026 BMW M5 PHEV Touring Unofficial concept is one such proclamation. It whispers to those who understand speed as poetry and power as philosophy, yet it also speaks to a future where sustainability doesn't mean compromise. This isn't just another sports sedan and wagon, it's a moving sculpture of ambition, wrapped in German engineering precision and electrified innovation. Exterior design review. At first glance, the M5 PHEV Touring wears its aggression with elegance. The front fascia is a dramatic interplay of sculpted aerodynamics and iconic kidney grills subtly reshaped for optimal airflow. Sharp LED laser headlights carve through darkness like the strokes of a calligrapher's pen, while the flowing character lines down the side evoke motion even at a standstill. The Touring variant, with its elongated roofline, turns practicality into art, proving utility can be beautiful when guided by Bavarian design principles. The rear diffuser and quad exhausts still not to pure combustion heritage, but their integration with hidden EV cooling channels signals a hybrid future. Interior design review. Step inside, and you enter a sanctuary of tactile luxury and digital mastery. The cabin is wrapped in sustainably sourced Nappa leather, with ambient lighting that mimics sunrise or moonlight depending on drive mode. A curved OLED display arcs toward the driver, merging infotainment and performance telemetry in a single, fluid interface. Rear passengers in the Touring version enjoy reclining seats, a panoramic glass roof, and active noise cancellation, turning long journeys into floating symphonies of silence. Every stitch, every control surface feels intentional, designed not just to impress but to envelop you in a sense of commanding calm. Technical specifications review. Under the hood, well, under the composite bonnet, you'll find a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with a high-output electric motor, producing a combined 840 horsepower. The torque delivery is instantaneous, with the electric motor erasing turbo lag and the V8 providing a crescendo of mechanical soul. An 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission distributes power through BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, with selectable rear-wheel bias for purists. Adaptive air suspension keeps the car poised whether carving alpine passes or cruising autobahns. Fuel consumption in city and highway. BMW's plug-in hybrid wizardry allows for pure electric driving up to 60 km in city conditions, perfect for zero-emissions commutes. On the highway, the V8 and electric motor dance together, returning a combined efficiency of 5.8 liters 100 km when driven with restraint. Yet, press the throttle with intent, and you'll trade economy for exhilaration. 0 to 100 km height acceleration review. The stopwatch confirms what your spine feels, 2.8 seconds to 100 km height. This figure belongs in supercar territory, yet the M5 PHEV achieves it with the poise of a luxury limousine. Launch control channels all 1050 Nm of torque with clinical precision, leaving nothing but astonishment in its wake. Buyer age range analysis. The M5 PHEV Touring appeals to a diverse spectrum. Executives in their 40s who demand status and performance, eco-conscious enthusiasts in their 30s who refuse to sacrifice thrill, and seasoned drivers in their 50s who value refinement with responsibility. Comparison with competitors and other cars. Against rivals like the Mercedes-AMG E63S Hybrid and Audi RS7 e-tron, the M5's edge lies in its balance. Where the AMG shouts, the BMW converses. Where the Audi dazzles with tech, the BMW integrates it seamlessly into the driving soul. Car price evaluation. Projected pricing hovers around $135,000 for the sedan and $140,000 for the Touring, positioning it firmly in premium territory, but offering far more performance per dollar than many exotic alternatives. Driving experience. In motion, the M5 PHEV feels like a dual-personality genius. In electric mode, it glides through city streets in near silence, exuding a calm confidence. Switch to hybrid sport, and it becomes a weapon. Throttle response sharpens, suspension tightens, and the exhaust electron soundtrack harmonizes into an addictive chorus. Pros and cons analysis. Pros: blistering performance, luxurious cabin, usable EV range, touring practicality, cutting-edge tech. Cons: premium price, complex drivetrain may deter traditionalists, cargo space slightly reduced in hybrid variant. Car purchase value assessment. Few cars can claim to be a daily commuter, family hauler, track star, and eco-conscious hybrid all at once. The M5 PHEV manages it, making its purchase value exceptionally strong for buyers seeking versatility without compromise. After-sales service evaluation. BMW's global service network is extensive, with M-certified technicians trained to handle both combustion and electric components. Extended hybrid-specific warranties offer added peace of mind. Maintenance cost review. Routine maintenance costs remain higher than average sedans due to its high-performance nature, but regenerative braking reduces wear, and long-life fluids minimize frequent servicing. Car insurance cost analysis. Insurance premiums reflect its performance and price bracket. Expect rates similar to other high-powered luxury hybrids, with potential discounts for eco-friendly operation in certain regions. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW M5 PHEV Touring Unofficial concept isn't just a car, it's a statement. It tells the world that you can demand raw power without rejecting sustainability, that luxury can be as responsible as it is indulgent. In an age where automotive identity is shifting, the M5 PHEV doesn't follow the current, it directs it.